Welcome to Math with Mr. J. In this video, we're going to cover how to plot points on a coordinate plane. Now this video is specifically going to cover quadrant 1, and that just means we're only going to be working with positive numbers. I do have a video on plotting in all 4 quadrants, and I'll drop the link to that down in the description. But we need to get quadrant 1 down first and the basics of plotting points. Now let's take a look at our coordinate plane on the right hand side of your screen. There are a couple of very important things we need to know before we plot or graph our points. First, we need to know that the horizontal or side-to-side axis is the x-axis. So I'm going to put an x here by our horizontal or side-to-side axis. Next, we need to know that the vertical or up and down axis is our y-axis. So side-to-side x, up and down, y. Now, you'll see 6 ordered pairs or coordinates on the left-hand side of your screen. We're going to learn how to plot those on that coordinate plane. So let's hop right in to number 1. So for number 1, we have 3, 4. That's our ordered pair. And our first number, that 3, the first number is always going to be your x coordinate. And the second number, that 4, the second number is always going to be your y coordinate. So the first thing we want to do, x always comes first, which means side to side first. So 3, 4 there means go over 3, up 4. So we would go over to 3 on our x-axis, and then up 4, and where those intersect, we're going to plot our point. And I'm going to label it as well. That point is 3 over 3, up 4. So let's go to number 2 there. 6, 2. So again, that 6 is our x-coordinate and the 2 is our y. So we would go over 6 here and then up 2 and plot a point. 6, 2. Number 3, we have 0, 9. So our x is actually 0. We don't move over at all. So we stay put here at 0 and we go up 9. And we plot our point directly on our y-axis because again our x was 0, so we did not move over at all. Now number 4 is 9, 0. That is not the same as 0, 9 because here for number 4 our 9 is our x-coordinate. So we go over 9 and up 0. So we plot a point on our x-coordinate, or I'm sorry, our x-axis there. And we can label this one. So 9, 0. And I'm going to label the last one. This one was 0, 9. Now number 5, we have 0, 0. So we don't move over at all. Or up. So our point is going to be right here on 0, 0. And this is actually called the origin. That's where everything starts because on all the other ordered pairs, you start there, go over, and then up. So again, 0, 0 is the origin. We didn't go anywhere. Number 6, we have 5, 7. So over 5, up 7. So we go over 5 here, and then up 7. Plot our point, and we'll label this point 5, 7. And I forgot to label my origin, which is 0, 0. So there you have it. There's how you plot points in quadrant 1. Remember, your x-coordinate comes first, then your y. So over, then up. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, peace.